Welcome to CrackCode, where your coding adventure comes to life. To begin, we simply sign up by entering your name, email, and password and confirm it to secure your account. Once you're in, we make sure it's really you. An OTP is sent to your email, just enter the code and you verify it in seconds. Step into your game profile where you choose your identity. Pick an avatar that represents you. Customize your presence, make it yours, and get ready to stand out. With everything set, you are all ready to go. One click, and you're taken straight to the home page, your command center. So, what are you waiting for? Join CrackCode and begin your mission today.
Let me walk you through the home page. On top, there's the nav bar, which is used to navigate between every other pages in a web application. The left sidebar contains two panels. The first is labeled the investigation, which provides navigation links to your case files, achievements, and learning path. Below it is your progress, which displays your current streak, total cases solved, and badges earned. At the bottom is a quick tips panel. It rotates a new tip every 10 seconds. Use the arrow button to advance manually. The center of the page opens with a feature carousel. It cycles through four sections of the platform: code challenges, leaderboard, the store, and the progress tracking. It advances automatically every 5 seconds. Use the left and right arrows to navigate manually, or click the dot indicators at the bottom to jump to a specific slide. Below the carousel is the daily challenge. This is updated every day. It displays the challenge title, topic, and point value. A countdown timer shows the time remaining before the challenge resets. The right sidebar begins with your profile card. It shows your username, current level, and cases solved. Three circular indicators display your XP progress within the current level, your token balance, and your rank. Below that is your badge collection. Unlocked badge appears in full color. Locked badges are grayed out. Hovering over any badge shows its name, description, and your progress towards unlocking it. Below the profile card is the leaderboard snapshot, showing the top 3 ranked users for the week, along with their XP totals. Your own rank is displayed at the top of this card. Scrolling down, the Explore Challenges section displays 3 challenges of the varying difficulty: easy, intermediate, and hard. Each card shows the difficulty level, estimated completion time, number of attempts by other users, and the points available. The Brain Breaker section provides 3 short games: Binary Blitz, Word Hunt, and Code Defense. These are intended as brief breaks between coding sessions. Click a game card to open it in an overlay window. Close the window using the X button in the top right corner. The Weekly Challenges section shows up to 4 active challenges for the current week. Each card displays the challenge title, difficulty, point value, and your current progress. The summary row at the bottom shows total points available, completed challenges, and days remaining in the week. The recommended for you section displays 3 challenges selected based on your activity and progress. Each card shows category, estimated time, difficulty, and the points. The final section is the activity calendar. It displays a grid of the current year, 1 square per day. An orange square indicates a day where at least one question was completed. A gray square indicates no activity. Hover over any square to see the exact date. The drop-down at the top right allows you to view previous years. The four stats above the grid shows your current streak, longest streak, total active days, and overall completion rate for the selected year. The calendar updates automatically when you submit a solution.
In this section, one of the core features of the CrackCode platform will be demonstrated, focusing on the Learn module, Code Editor, and AI assistance. This is the Learn Path interface where users can select a programming language such as Python, JavaScript, Java, or C++. Each language is organized as a guided learning path allowing users to progress step-by-step from beginner to advanced level. After selecting a language, users can choose a difficulty level such as Fundamentals, Easy, Intermediate, and Hard. This helps users learn concepts gradually based on their current skill level. This section displays the list of coding problems along with a progress indicator. The progress bar shows how many questions have been completed, helping users track their learning progress. This is the code editor, which is the core component of the system where users solve coding challenges. It provides features such as a syntax highlighted editor, a download button, a run button, a submit button, test case option, AI-powered narrative-driven error diagnosis feature, an AI assistant feature, and a history appliance for tracking the history of errors of the user. And also it provides a button system as hints and an example card with input-output of the particular question. Now I will be demonstrating a live exercise on the code editor. As you can see, the questions are narrative based. Here it says subtract one clue from another to find the gap, giving a tone of interest for the user to solve this question. And also there will be a starter code with a detailed explanation, so it is very beginner friendly and users can adapt to answer questions quickly, efficiently, and in an understandable way. So I will be writing the answer and running the program to see the functionality of the code editor. Here the run button will execute the program. As you can see, my answer was correct and the error diagnosis results with correct answer. And in the test cases, as you can see, are all passed, allowing the application to determine whether the user's code is correct or not. And also there's an AI assistant. AI assistant will be there for users to understand the question more and solve it without any disturbance. And also, the History tab will record the history of the questions. Here, users can download the program that they have already written. And users can submit the question using the submit button. Here, as you can see, tokens and XP and badges are unlocked along with the questions which are done correctly by the user. As you can see, the progress is also updated live after completion of questions, and allowing users to go to the next question.
Going on to the career map feature, this is built for the users to take a self-assessment to understand their strengths in the career pathways they want to pursue. We can see different career pathways such as software engineer, ML engineer, and data scientist, etc. Once a career is selected, it is divided into 4 chapters. Each chapter includes interactive quizzes like MCQ and fill in the blanks questions. Users should answer them one by one to continue. If a question is answered incorrectly, the correct answer is shown so they can learn from it. At the end of the chapter, the results are displayed. If the results aren't enough to unlock the next chapter, user can retry the chapter until they can pass. As you can see in the left side with the progress, the roadmap updates with colored nodes to show how far they came. After successfully completing a career path, a success message is displayed, helping users easily see which pathway are most suitable for them. In this way, the career map makes learning structured, interactive, and personalized, guiding users step by step.
The CrackCode leaderboard ranks users based on their performance in coding challenges using point earned from correct solutions, speed, and consistency. It gives users a clear view of where they stand compared to others, creating a competitive and motivating environment. This feature encourages continuous engagement by rewarding progress and improvement. Users can track their rank changes in real time, which pushes them to solve more challenges and improve their skills. The leaderboard is closely connected with other features such as the XP system, achievement badges, streak tracking, and level progression. Together, these elements create a gamified learning experience where users are constantly motivated to climb higher and stay active on the platform.
When it comes to the store feature, this is built for a user to buy items from gained tokens after completion of daily and weekly challenges. The store has 3 main categories: avatars, themes, and my inventory. Avatars and themes are eligible to purchase from a real currency. For this process, we have used the Stripe API. Right now you can see a user purchased token-based avatar and a theme, and then the purchased item will be stored in my inventory, and also especially the user tokens will be deducted. And for the themes that have been purchased, when I click the button apply theme, the theme will be applied for the whole application. Now we are seeing a user trying to purchase an item from real currency. For this, when the user clicks buy with card button, it will redirect for the Stripe API. For the payment, right here we are using a public testing card that is provided by the Stripe. And after the payment is successful, you can see there's a message popping up, payment successful. And also the inventory is updated. And when you equip the avatar, you can very well see the avatar will be updated as well. And also especially to prevent a user buying duplicate avatars or themes which is the same item, when you click a buy item which you already have in the my inventory, you will have a pop-up message saying you already have this item. So far, this is what the store feature is built for. Thank you so much.